The president of the Khasi Students Union, Lambokstarwell Marngar, had spoken on the issue of uranium mining in Meghalaya. This follows Union Minister of Earth Sciences Jitendra Singh's recent statement in the Lok Sabha on the centre's decision to continue with its attempt on uranium mining at Domiasiat in South West Khasi Hills. While speaking to reporters on Friday, the president of the KSU, Lambokstarwell Marngar, said that the issue of uranium mining in Meghalaya is not anything new. While referring to the statement made by Union Minister of Earth Sciences Jitendra Singh in the Lok Sabha, Marngar said that the Students' Union will continue to oppose this move by the central government, even if they have to sacrifice their precious lives for the good and welfare of generations to come. He added that if the centre would have to continue mining of uranium in Meghalaya, it would have to first refer to the documents and records on how the state of Meghalaya had initially acknowledged to be part of mainland India. Marngar also questioned the 60 representatives of the state on their stand on the issue and how bold they are in defending the state and its people.
Mereka keruak ke basai sekarang dia kalong ba nai persang man lulia ba nai persang man muslia ba nai persang man kwa ni marko khandau na ka primi trap ko jongi namar ke isu ikan yang ba horkit hodang kadang ba ngimnon kam ya kren ko kti na ko mai pat ngi amai spagi ni ngim kwa ban ye pen ye ka jingim jong pro prosnam jongi nam ta ka jingmon toy jong sukar ni ja hot kindon ki ba ong ba lada piyai persya sa ko ni sekarang dia kedon kispai suar kan setom nak kabur ngim don suloi nginum tup doman idon tang kacing kasnam kami hapan IT naman dia panjang pan tikena ba kan dia kam kemle binya sakma tira kasokar dia sodon hok dia ka ba ong kan tom nak kabur aku apan kren ka basai kasokar dia kan pentikena swa bang hapan ya klibyang ya giduler kumno ka chat pendeu jungi ke sno kan dia pihak karen dia tahu pun Sarkar ni kakwa mang thom nak bor ngihapan ye klibyang ye tagi dolar tunu gajat pendai ngi sno bagare India kata ka kerbo ke basai bat khamtam ong nak basai bat ke sarkar jelaru maki bihaban long syah bat ngabur ka jingkeli na pedeng ki rupungot tagi nong toan kat nongut bat manur banut ban ong ngapersya uranium habasit basai kani ka por ngasngo ba kamni ku por ban le yari ne banyak keran keran ke por kami keran basit basai khamani bai ba maka ni kita kamyap kamni junu ni kamyap ka jongari kejat pintu koi telara ka pateng jungi ka bakla along sebentar ba ni lati tli rupai ka pateng bansaban katakan ngrim basai jongka ki subat horkit hodang nginam kala ka jong kejutang nginam kala ka jong ngrim la dai ban jam nak nu kelantiru la dai ngi hap ban perkhat bai ka plat kelantiru ka ngi khun ni kamat rai yang skam nongrim la ngi haban yang khadu marwairu ngim so lei bat ngim so pyan rai ngim penting kenapa ngim pendam hangnu kepada ibdai isu ni